if you like this look, stay tuned to see how I accomplish it. So let's jump right into this video. I'm starting off with fresh brows. I actually just plucked my brows while they're so red. I'm using my Morphe pencil to draw a line that traces my brow shape that I have already to the top and to the bottom. And then I'm going to also use this pencil to go in and fill in my brows. So now I'm gonna take my MAC concealer brush, the super flat, y'all can use just about any super flat brush, and I use a concealer that is about 2 shades lighter than my skin complexion, and I go ahead and just trace the line and clean that baby up, honey. Like, oh, clean it up. I used the MAC concealer, and I also used P. Louise concealer because I know that I was gonna do a very detailed shadow, and I do that on both of my eyes. Take note on how I trace and then I pull the concealer down, because I eventually want to blend that in with my eyelids so that I could have a nice eyeshadow base going there. So now I just added some more concealer to that brush, and then I went ahead with my beauty blender and I just blend out that eye, and you'll see that I'll continuously blend out that eye with a semi-wet beauty blender. So now I'm going to take that Anastasia Beverly Hills palette by Mercer, which I love so much. It's so pink, so girly. And I also use my Juvia chocolate palette to achieve this eye look. And I actually am going to leave all the information in the description box below so that you know exactly which ones I used. And I'm pointing at most of them, but you'll know. So I just take that pink and that dark brown color and blend the two together, put it in my crease, and start to just blend that thing out. I don't want it to be too harsh. I don't want it to be too soft. Just right. Now let's cut that crease, girl. I took my Morphe brush. It's a very flat brush, beautiful brush. I absolutely love this brush. I'm going to leave it down in the description box below with the actual number. And I pack it with concealer where it is a tight, slim kind of brush. And I just follow my eye shape. I think everybody cut crease really completely different. I didn't want a perfect cut crease, and then when I started I was like, a cut crease has to be cut, girl. You can't be like not perfect. So don't shoot me. Now I take New Yorker, that beautiful tan, and I put that on my lid. And then I also go in with this beautiful light pink wasted, and I put that on the inner corner of my eyelid, and I just blend the two together, just seamlessly together. now I'm doing the exact same thing on my next eye, of course. And of course, we have to make them look like sisters and twins, not just cousins. So, take your time, cut that crease, baby girl, make it happen for yourself. So now we're gonna go in with this Tarte eyeliner. Y'all, I have a love-hate relationship for eyeliner because wing liner can turn into a wing. Oh, damn Anthony. But this time, we got a wing, girl. So, if y'all want to see a detail of how I do my wing liner, trying to get them even, sisters and twins, not cousins, let me know. Leave it down in the comment box below. While I was creating this look, I thought I want glitter. So now we're gonna go in with my eyelash glue, yes, from House of Lashes. And I actually line where I cut my crease, and then you're gonna see me apply the glitter. I do not remember where I got this glitter from, y'all, but I absolutely love this glitter. I think it is amazing. So now we're gonna get into skin, baby. Like, I like to apply my foundation with a brush, y'all. But that beauty blender just needs a little bit of damp, just a little bit. And she coming. There she go. Okay. Blend, blend, blend. Y'all forgive me that my words are not matching my mouth, and it was because my husband came home and saw me recording and wanted to have a conversation, and I'm wrong to have a conversation. And him and Liam decided that they did not like my lashes, so I probably was arguing right there. Like, it don't matter if y'all don't like my lashes. Liam calls it eyes. Now I'm gonna take that Juvia concealer. Ooh, baby girl, let me tell you. So I used to always use MAC, and now I might be a Juvia girl, come to think about it. I also took the same flat brush that I used to carve out my eyebrows to cut my eyeshadow. You know, this is like a little tip trick. Sometimes when that wing liner don't go as planned, when it turns into a whole airplane, this is also a good trick. Sped up this part, but I wanted y'all to see like how serious blending is. I feel like blending sets the tone for everything. Like, don't stop blending. Like, you could never blend enough. That's literally how blending works. Like, blend, 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 blend. Blend some more. You thought you were done? Blend some more, girl. Don't stop, don't stop. Get it, get it. So now we're gonna go in with this Juvia foundation stick that I line my cheekbones, all around the sides of my face, and then I take my Juvia loose powder and I put that under my eye, my nose, my lip, my chin, my forehead, just to give me some light highlight contour kind of vibes. Especially being pregnant, I contour because, you know, your girl is gaining weight, a little fluffy over here. So, especially under those jawlines. Ooh, Lord. Take away those double chins. Now we're just gonna blend that out with my wonderful Real Technique brush. Like, I absolutely love this brush, y'all. And once again, blend, 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 blend. Sometimes I wet my brush with a finishing spray, sometimes I don't. This time I did wet my brush. I like to use a smaller brush to chisel out my nose. I just feel like it's easier, it's quick, and it prevents the whole like super spread of the product. Call me what you want, but I'm a black liner waterline kind of girl. Okay, so I'm just using the end of that Tarte stick to darken up that waterline, and then I got a smudge brush and added that pink color from the palette, the Anastasia palette, and just smeared that to the bottom. Now it's mascara time, y'all. I like to put on my mascara, and then I put on my lashes off camera, and now we just working on them lips, baby, trying to make them look nice and full, because we all know they small. So I added a nude color, and then I took this lip brush and just blended it out with my liner. And now I'm going to use the flat brush, the same brush that I used for my eyebrow concealer, the same brush to line these lips. I think this is key in making those lips look superb. It's like, ugh. It's just like putting the finished touches on it, really. So this is my finished look. I absolutely loved it. The wig is by Quella collection, of course. And there goes my baby bump. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Be safe. Be there. Go ahead and like and subscribe, comment below, tell me how you feel about it. I really appreciate your love and support. Take care. Bye.